माइथोलॉजी। सूरों की साधना हो, ताल का आगाज हो, इस दीप की लौ के साथ कला का नया अंदाज हो। जले जो ये ज्योत तो रोशन हो मंच सारा, बस यही प्रार्थना है हमारी, चमके सितारों सा ये आंगन हमारा।
We shall now proceed to begin our annual day concert with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. This esteemed tradition symbolizes the commencement of our journey today with the divine flames that illuminate our lives and bring positivity.
Hence, we now invite our esteemed chief guest and dignitaries along with her school principal to join us for the lighting of the lamp ceremony.
Let us seek blessings from the Almighty for the success in our endeavor. Our devoted students will now recite the Deep Mantra.
Our country has been built on the sacrifices of brave soldiers who dreamed of free and strong India. One of the most dreadful terror in Pahalgam could never be forgotten, against which the befitting Indian retaliatory attacks were conducted by Operation Sindoor.
Our famous TIS Students Orchestra will now honor the courage of our valiant soldiers. Through rhythm and musical notes, our singers and instrument performers will express the spirit of unity and devotion towards our motherland.
So over to the musical event by the Students Orchestra. નમ્ર વિનંતી છે કે તેઓ કોઈ પણ કાર્યક્રમની વિડીયોગ્રાફી ના કરે. સ્કૂલ તરફથી સંપૂર્ણ કાર્યક્રમના વિડીયો આપવામાં આવશે. વાલીઓને નમ્ર વિનંતી છે કે તેઓ તેમના બાળકોના સંપૂર્ણ કાર્યક્રમના અંતે લઈ જશે. ફક્ત પ્રી પ્રાઇમરી અને ધોરણ 1 થી 3ના બાળકોના વાલી તેમના બાળકના કાર્યક્રમ બાદ પ્રાઇમરી બિલ્ડિંગમાંથી લઈ જશે. વાલીઓ તથા તેમની સાથે આવેલ મહેમાનોને નમ્ર વિનંતી છે કે તેઓ કાર્યક્રમ પૂર્ણ થાય ત્યાં સુધી હાજર રહી કાર્યક્રમનો આનંદ માણશે. વાલીઓને નમ્ર વિનંતી છે કે પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ સિવાય કોઈને બેકસ્ટેજ આવવું નહીં. ધોરણ 4 થી 11ના બાળકોના વાલીઓને જણાવવામાં આવે છે કે તેમના બાળકના ક્લાસના વોટ્સએપ ગ્રુપ પર તેમને લઈ જવા મેસેજ મોકલવામાં આવશે. વાલીઓને નમ્ર વિનંતી છે કે તેઓ મેસેજ મળ્યા પછી જ બાળકને લઈ જાય.
That was building of great energy and patriotism for our nation by TIS Orchestra. The fervor and zeal to strive for our nation keeps enduring along with such patriotic songs.
Music is the best way to connect hearts, and dance is the purest expression of happiness. Together, they create magic, and that's exactly what our tiny toads are about to present.
It is said that children are the flowers of life, spreading fragrance wherever they go. And right now, our little blossoms are ready to bloom on stage with their innocent, graceful steps.
Our little children are excited to see their parents, their grandparents, guardians in the school campus. They welcome all with their friends on stage and show immense love. Their smile add colors to our lives and grace this beautiful evening.
We are sure our kids must have told their parents, Papa, Mama, please come and see me performing on the stage. So, let's welcome our little stars with a thunderous round of applause. Your encouragement will give them wings to shine even brighter. So, over to the welcome dance.
With lots of love, joy in our hearts and happiness, we welcome you
That was building of great energy and patriotism for our nation by TIS Orchestra. In this academic session 2025-26, we were engaged beholding, enjoying, participating in various celebrations, competitions, field trips, seminars, and students' workshops.
Yes, there were practices, modifications in our skills, and reformations in our personalities. Our teachers, seniors were always around to encourage us.
And this journey was pleasant and fascinating only by constant motivation by our school principal, Mrs. Jinsi Anandan.
We proudly share that our school principal, Ms. Jinsi Anandan, is also the city coordinator of Mehsana, appointed by CBSE. The CBSE has also conferred various prestigious positions to our school principal as the Chief Nodal Practical Supervisor, CBSE District Level Examination Recommendation Committee Member, CBSE Inspection Committee Member for School Affiliations, and also handling Hub and Spoke School Model. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to reflect on the journey. We shall now request our school principal, Ms. Jinsi Anandan, to kindly come on stage and share her achievements and glory.
Therefore, it's our privilege to welcome our school principal to present the annual report. Ma'am has been the guiding star to us with immense insight, proactive, and optimistic approach in bringing triumphs to our credit.
Hello, check. Excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Darshit Bhai Patel, our Director, Mr. Chirag D. Patel, Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Gautam Shah, the retired Colonel of Indian Army, Dr. Pinakin Trivedi, the President of National Homeopathic Council of India, retired Colonel Vinod Bhai Patel, respected parents, dear teachers, and my beloved kids. It gives me immense pride and joy to welcome you all to Tapovan International School's 16th annual function. As I present the report of our school today, I stand here with gratitude and admiration for all the collective efforts that have shaped this remarkable academic year under three areas, that is, engage, educate, and empower. Academic excellence. This year has been exceptional for us academically. Our students of classes 10 and 12 have once again held the Tapovan legacy by achieving 100% pass percentage in CBSE board examinations. Also, they delivered exemplary results with numerous distinctions, while class students of 12th standard excelled across science, commerce, and humanities. Their dedication and their untiring efforts of our teachers and the constant support of our parents have been the pillars behind this continued success. Celebrating the strength and sportsmanship, sports remained a vital part of our school's vision of holistic development. Our students brought tremendous pride through their spirited performance in Khel Mahakumbh. Also, they participated in School Games Federation of India, that is SGFI, securing honors in karate, judo, volleyball, football, swimming, skating, etc. Now, through these sports events, students learn teamwork, discipline, and resilience, the qualities that shape them for life. In similar way, our dear students whom you watched on stage have participated in Kala Mahakumbh and they came out with flying colors. Our educational trips, they form experiential learning, continue to flourish at Tapovan. Our visits to Archaeological Museum, Vadnagar, the government school for students with special abilities, government primary school, and HT Horticultural College encourage curiosity, exploration, and practical learning far beyond the classroom learnings. Embark on an exotic and vibrant Goa tour, that is day after tomorrow. There they will explore the beaches and heritage-rich architecture, which will provide them with valuable exposure and real-world understanding. Additionally, our students of classes 3 to 7 will enjoy an enriching one-day trip to the Statue of Unity, connecting them to the inspiring legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. CBSE Hub recognition. A significant highlight of the year was our school being recognized as a hub and school under the CBSE Hub and Spoke Model Initiative. This prestigious recognition acknowledges our leadership in academic excellence, collaborative development through shared resources, training, and expertise. Our new initiatives. We proudly inaugurated a new computer lab for the senior students equipped with upgraded systems designed to strengthen their digital learning. Further, our classrooms were enriched with smart class facilities, transforming everyday teaching into an engaging and interactive experience for the learners. The Star Kid of the Month initiative is a highly motivating program designed to celebrate and recognize students who embody our school's core values both inside and outside the classroom. We have expanded our outreach to various social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc., and utilizing these digital channels to strategically cultivate ethical reasoning and moral values in our student body. The introduction of box cricket stood out as a creative and exciting initiative promoting fitness, fun, and teamwork. Our thematic assemblies were centered around important social, cultural, and environmental themes. Our students have shown remarkable creativity and initiative in bringing these themes to life through various skits, speech, and their performances. Special sessions were conducted on the concepts of Gita Sar to interlink the spiritual knowledge and practical living. We conducted several workshops for students, this time many more, addressing important areas such as their career awareness, exam readiness, digital detox, which is need of the hour, civic sense, habits, mind your manners, regulate your emotions, to inculcate emotional maturity in them, the magic of meditation, mind your language to inculcate the right language they must use while communicating with the public. These are the few workshops, to name a few. Parallel to this, our teachers has conducted and attended various professional development programs centered around interactive and innovative teaching methods, digital skills in this world where every teacher should be equipped with digital literacy, graphology and handwriting analysis, result analysis of the board examinations, and effective evaluation strategies to be adopted. Time management, yet another important matter. Organized mind and organized pages. These training sessions have strengthened the teaching learning process as a whole. The celebrations that enrich our culture. Throughout the year, the school community joyously celebrated our Foundation Day, Guru Purnima, investiture ceremony, national festivals, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Navratri, Sports Day, Kite Festival, and non-fire cooking activity. Each of these occasions not only highlighted the diverse talents of our students, but also strengthened their bonds that unite the school community. Our students displayed exceptional enthusiasm and dedication in the inter-house competitions as well. The competitions we held, like debate, elocution, documentary making, rangoli, etc. These events not only provided a platform for them to showcase their talents, but also instilled in them the values of teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. Our new initiative, we are proud to announce our journey of a new beginning of Tapovan Junior International School now in the city itself at Palavasna, owned and operated by our respected chairman, Dr. Dashrath Bhai Patel. The school offers a unique fun-filled educational experience with excellent facilities for both indoor and outdoor games. The school also provides exciting extracurricular activities that help students discover their passions. For our added convenience, Tapovan Junior International School offers a reliable bus service from nearby locations, making it easier for the students to commute. Admissions are open for the next academic session. Walking together with eternal love. As we look back at the year 2025-26, we feel proud of every milestone we have achieved together. As we step into a new year filled with hope and possibilities, let us remember the future is yours. Take it in your hands with joy. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our teachers for their devotion, to our students for their enthusiasm and sincerity, and to our parents for their unwavering trust and cooperation. Together, we continue to grow not just as a school, but as a family bound by learning, values, and eternal love. Thank you, and I wish everyone a wonderful evening with us tonight.
We are truly grateful for the inspiring vision of our principal, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. On this auspicious day of TIS, we extend gratitude to our revered guests for adorning this event with your graceful presence. Hence, for the felicitation, we hereby request the chairman of the school, the director of the school, the chief guests, and the school principal to kindly come on stage. We request our head boy, Master Rigved Mistry, to usher our guests towards the stage.
We shall now request our school principal, Ms. Jinsi Anandan, to welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Gautam Shah, retired Colonel of Indian Army from NDA, Dehradun, to our annual concert day with a lovely bouquet. Let's give a big round of applause for our chief guest. Gautam Shah served the country for around 30 years. He was a student of Sainik School. Thank you, sir. We now request our primary wing head, Ms. Jaina Patel, to welcome Dr. Pinakin Trivedi, MD President of National Homeopathic Council of India, New Delhi. We now request our school coordinator, Ms. Sunita Sharma, to welcome retired Colonel Vinod Bhai Patel. We shall now request our primary wing head, Ms. Jaina Patel, to welcome and greet the founder and the chairman of our school, Dr. Dashrath Bhai V. Patel, with the elegant flowers. Sir, your spiritual and entrepreneurial insight encourages us to lead life with humanistic and generous approach. We seek immense pride to share that our school founder is associated as Honorable with renowned institutions such as with Ganpat with Sardar Dham Trust, with VR Karve School and with Sri Bharat Vyayam Mandir. Sir also represents the prestigious Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Mehsana, the NRG Non-Resident Gujarati Center in Mehsana, the Lions Hospital, Mehsana, the spiritually dedicated member at Sri Ram Seva Samiti, Mehsana, and many more. Thank you, sir. We shall now request our school coordinator, Ms. Sunita Sharma, to honor the director of our school, Mr. Chirag Patel, with an exquisite bouquet. Sir, your invaluable support channelizes us towards the right path of life. Thank you, sir. We shall now request our school coordinator, Ms. Survinder Kaur, to please come up and present the pretty bouquet to respected principal, Ms. Jinsi Anandan, a leader poised to ensure discipline and meticulous planning to set our goals and achieve our goals. Thank you, ma'am.
Academic year 2024-25, we had excellent performances by our students of class 10 and class 12 in CBSE board exams. We are proud to honor our academic top rankers who are present in our campus today and request them to come to the stage along with their parents or guardians to collect the special mementos. We request our honorable guest to kindly present the mementos to the academic rankers of class 10. We hereby announce that Ms. Shreyashi Bijwan of class 10 Red secured 92.4% in CBSE board exams. Ms. Shreyashi Bijwan has been a very dedicated and enthusiastic student in art, music, debates, elocution competitions and academics, poised to do the best for the school. Continuing with TIS, she is planning for career in medical. Our next academic top ranker to come on stage, Ms. Akshara Patel of class 10 Red, secured 90.6% in CBSE board exams. She has been a sincere, hard-working student keen to excel in academics. She is currently with TIS aiming for biotechnology and research thereafter. We have our next TIS top ranker, Ms. Dhami Patel of class 10 Green, who scored 89.8% in CBSE board exams. She has always been well-mannered, humble, known for good communication skills. She is preparing for NEET exam from Ahmedabad.
We now request our honorable guest to honor our academic top rankers of class 12th. We now request to come up on the stage Ms. Nishtha Sharma, TIS topper of class 12 science stream, who secured 89.8% CBSE board exam 2024-25. A very intellectual and dedicated student is working hard to pursue BTech in Computer Science Engineering as career under IBM academic program with specialization in Big Data and Analytics from reputed Ganpat University, Mehsana. We now announce Master Harpit Modi, TIS topper of class 12th commerce stream, secured 95.2%. A very humble student, since he is studying in Canada, we request his brother to receive this memento. Master Harpit Modi is pursuing financial mathematics and economics from University of Victoria. We also take pride to announce that Master Harpit Modi had scored full 100 marks in the subject of business studies. And now, last but not the least, we have Ms. Divya Agarwal, TIS topper of class 12th Humanities, who secured 78.8%. On our behalf, we request our school hostel administrator, Mr. Swatantra Kumar Trivedi, to receive the memento. Ms. Divya Agarwal, a dedicated school head girl in the previous year, has also been one of the most kind and caring students from her school hostel. She wishes to make career in judiciary, has recently taken CLET exam.
Congratulations to all the students on your success and to the parents and teachers who have been motivating them throughout. Apart from academics, many students have excelled in sports. In SGFI, that is School Games Federation of India, during this year, TIS students have won state-level medals in under 19 and under 17 category. We request our guests to honor the winners in Wushu event held in Bosad, Gujarat on 17 October 2025. So, we now call upon our sports winners. Master Naman Patel of class 10 yellow with silver medal. We request his parents to kindly come on stage to receive the honor on his behalf, as he is presently attending national level training camp for SGFI Wushu event in Anand for the competition to begin from 13 January 2026 in Manipur. Master Vaishvik Patel of class 11 Commerce with silver medal. Master Teej Patel of class 11 Commerce with bronze medal. Miss Nana Naveen of class 7 Green with bronze medal. Miss Purva Patel of class 9th Yellow with bronze medal.
We now proudly announce the SDFI state level winners under 19 category in karate event held in Vadodara on 15th December 2025. Master Dairya Vagasia of class 8 blue with bronze medal. Master Soham Patel of class 9th red with bronze medal. Master Arham Shah of class 10th yellow with bronze medal. Miss Priyanshi Patel of class 8th blue with bronze medal. Congratulations to the coach Miss Kalpana Chauhan and the entire sports teachers fraternity under whose guidance and care the students participated in the events and have won the medals. It is a pleasure to announce that in Khel Mahakumbh D3 Mehsana district of previous year has awarded Tapovan International School second position as best school in district level. We request our sports teacher Kalpana Chauhan ma'am, Bharat sir and Rakesh sir to represent the prestigious award of cash prize. Thank you, sir.
I shall now request our dignitaries to please proceed back to your places and grace our program.
Prayer gives strength when paths seem hard and defends the soul like a faithful guard. A very pleasant evening to all. On our annual day concert, I, Miss Chesa Ashwin Kumar Patel of class 12th Science, seek pleasure to join you and take you to yet another round of colorful moments today.
What a pleasure, dear Chesha Didi, that I'm sharing this stage with my school head girl.
Yes, Suhani, I have always dreamed of representing our annual day as a representative of the Students' Council. सपनों पे पंख लगे होते हैं, दिल से आसमां तक उड़ते हैं, आंखों में चमक बनकर ये हर मुश्किल से आगे बढ़ते हैं.
सपनों से याद आया, I wish I became the topper in my exams.
तथास्तु.
I wish I have a bright future and all happiness.
तथास्तु.
You seem to remind me of Lord Shiva, who is known for ever fulfilling our grants.
Om Namah Shivaya. Lord Shiva is revered for benevolence and is often visualized as a yogi with a third eye, Trishul and a Damru. He is the savior of his devotees and offers courage and peace. He is the Lord of Yoga who represents spiritual discipline. Suhani, do you want to know more?
Now you are sounding like ChatGPT.
ChatGPT?
Dance becomes prayer when performed with devotion. When the universe moves to rhythm, it is Shiva who dances. This performance captures the grace and power of Lord Shiva through the language of dance.
नृत्य के माध्यम से जब भक्ति प्रकट होती है तो वह शिव की आराधना बन जाती है. So, over to the most vibrating dance sequence of cosmic energy in prayer dance.
पूरप्रद कर्पूरप्रभ अर्पिन्तुं शङ्करा सर्वं प्रावृतकल्पप्राभव विप्रप्रेरितपरा पूरप्रद कर्पूरप्रभ अर्पिन्तुं शङ्करा
शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रियतांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रियतांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा ओम परमेश्वरा परा ओम निखिलेश्वरा हरा ओम जीवेश्वरेश्वरा कनरारा ओम मंत्रेश्वरा स्वरा ओम यंत्रेश्वरा स्थिरा ओम तंत्रेश्वरा वरदावेरा शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रियतांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का भोले की मस्ती में नाचेंगे सारे भोले हरेंगे जो कष्ट तुम्हारे भोले के नाम पे चलती है दुनिया पार लगेगा भोले के सहारे भोले के नाम के दीवाने हुए हम फिर भूल गए हम तो सारे जिंदगी के गम तुझे देंगे भोले दर्शन साक्षात सामने जैसे हनुमान जी को दिए श्री राम ने भोले की भक्ति में मिलके सारे आज बोले हर हर महादेव महाकाल बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बोले बम बम बोले बम बम बोले बम 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 बोले मुझ पे चढ़ा है बस भोले का रंग हर कण में हर क्षण में है भोले मेरे संग लेके तेरा नाम भक्ति में तेरी ही रहा हूँ सब कुछ छोड़ के शक्ति में तेरी जी रहा हूँ बम 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 बोले बोले
शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रियतांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव हर हर जय जय दिगिरारा प्रियतांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रियतांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव हर हर जय जय दिगिरारा प्रियतांडव
We have an exciting lineup of performances today that showcase the creativity of our little stars from primary wing, a trip down the childhood lane, a joyful journey that makes us smile the most.
We now welcome our little performers who would take us to charming songs and dances of energy of various moods. So, over to Dhaginati Nakdin.
मस्त पवन सा कटी पतंग सा छोड़ा इसे यार गया मगर बट्टू बड़ा निखट्टू मुझे तो ये मार गया यादें भुला के जोश में होश पिघला सुनी सी धुन सा गीले साबुन सा हाथ से है जो फिसला 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 फिर से फिर ये फिसला फिसला फिर ये फिसली फिसली मेरी रातें फिसले से अब मेरे दिन धागे न तिनक दिन धागे न तिनक दिन धागे न तिनक दिन तिनक दिन धागे न तिनक दिन धागे न तिनक दिन 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 ठंडी अगन सा खेले में हार गया घूमता लट्टू बाड़ेगा टट्टू शेखिया मगार गया ऐसे तो झंड है तो भी घमंड है छाती बुला के निकला ढूंढे है तितली रंग बिरंगी रंग बिरंगा तितला तिनका तिनका अरमान तिनका दिल में धड़के हर दिन इसको ना सुकून इश्क दे धागे न तिनक दिन तिनक दिन धागे न तिनक दिन तिनक दिन धागे न तिनक दिन तिनक दिन धागे न तिनक दिन
Such a mesmerizing performance by our young kids. Our junior students enjoy in school playing, moving around, chatting and chattering for long.
Moreover, they are smart and prowess, just like
The famous Bunty and Bubbly. मानो वह स्कूल बैग नहीं झोला उठा के चले हैं, स्कूल में मस्ती के समुंदर के अंदर चले हैं.
ओहो हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे.
किस लिए?
धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए रे.
छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली बोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले. बारिश कम कम लगती है, नदियाँ मध्यम लगती है, हम समंदर के अंदर चले. छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली बोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले. बारिश कम कम लगती है, नदियाँ मध्यम लगती है, हम समंदर के अंदर चले. ओहो हो हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे. हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे. धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए रे. धड़क 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 सीटी बजाए रे. धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए रे. धड़क 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 मुझे बुलाए रे. ओहो जरा रास्ता तो दो, थोड़ा सा बादल चखना है. बड़ा बड़ा कोयले से नाम फलक पे लिखना है. चांद से होकर सड़क जाती है, उसी पे आगे जाके अपना मकान होगा. चांद से होकर सड़क जाती है, उसी पे आगे जाके अपना मकान होगा. हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे. हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे. धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए रे. धड़क 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 सीटी बजाए रे. धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए रे. धड़क 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 मुझे बुलाए रे.
Suhani, imagine the next week that we shall be busy with.
Well, I'm waiting eagerly for our great festival of Gujarat, Uttarayan, the celebration of sun's northward journey and the harvest season. It brings communities together through kite flying and unforgettable til laddus, undiyu and jalebi.
On the eve of Uttarayan, the knights are busy with preparing manja with fabulous colors.
In the next morning, all are on their house rooftops buzzing manja, kai poche. So over to our little students of class 3 dance with kite flying and singing.
सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा
हाँ मांझा, हाँ मांझा.
ढील दे दे रे भैया.
ढील दे रे भैया.
ढील दे रे भैया, उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए.
अरे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे. ढील दे रे भैया.
तेज 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 है मांझा अपना तेज है. तेज है मांझा अपना तेज है.
उंगली कट सकती है बापू हो, उंगली कट सकती है बापू, तो पतंग क्या चीज है रे. ढील दे रे भैया.
ढील दे रे भैया, उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए. जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे. ढील दे रे भैया.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
सुहानी।
कहाँ रहते हो?
राधनपुर।
यहाँ क्यों आए हो?
मकसद पूरा करने।
There are many such memes, but seriously, many Indian spies, raw agents, enter the enemy's territories to find and expose their illegal operations. So, to honor the courage and valor of our Indian soldiers, we now present our next performance of love and for nation. So,
Over to Sujalam Sufalam.
Malaya Shitalam Shasya Shamanam
Vande Mataram.
ज्यादा नहीं है यारों कुर्बानी देने वाले, देश के नाम पे अपनी जवानी देने वाले, हर रिश्ते से पहले वतन को रखने वाले, वतन की खातिर चिता पे वतन को रखने वाले। राख हुआ तो क्या हुआ, मैं धुआं तो क्या, सरहद पे पहरा दूंगा बन के वतन। जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम श्यामलां वंदे मातरम्, सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वंदे मातरम्। ना ही ज़मीन आसमानों में, ना ही मुमकिन है दो जहानों में, सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वंदे मातरम्, सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वंदे मातरम्। सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वंदे मातरम्, सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां वंदे मातरम्।
Our grandparents often narrated fascinating tales of Sri Ram and Sri Ganesh from our Indian mythology, inspiring virtues like honesty and courage.
अनुराग है जीवन की मधुर धुन, हर हृदय में जगाता सुमधुर गुण।
त्याग है शक्ति, त्याग है बल, यह करता है जीवन को निर्मल।
In our grand celebration of Annual Day Concert 2025-26, we shall explore deep in our mythology, Ramayan, Mahabharat, Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and churn out many more elements of love.
Like Goddess Lakshmi Ji, who chose Lord Vishnu, recognized his divine virtues with her wisdom. Love signifies loyalty, as in Maryada Purushottam, Sri Ram and Sita Ji.
Love means sacrifice, as depicted by Sri Lakshman Ji and Urmila Ji after Sri Ram's exile. Love is unconditional, as in Lord Krishna and Rukmani Ji.
Love is boundless, as in Lord Krishna and Radha.
With respect to Draupadi in epic Mahabharat, Sri Krishna showed his love through protection to safeguard dharma and empower women.
So is love eternal, as in Lord Shiva and Parvati Ji.
And friends, can you imagine? Today, our school campus will be sanctified by the presence of such divine deities from our Indian mythology on our annual day concert stage along with our talented students. अर्थात हमारी इन पौराणिक कथाओं में धर्मपरायणता को प्रेरित करने वाले गुण निहित है।
इनमें है गाथा प्रतिज्ञा की, इनमें है गाथा बलिदान की, वफादारी की, सच्चाई की,
संरक्षण की, भक्ति की, आस्था की, अनुराग की।
यह है गाथा प्रेम की।
So over to our annual day concert 2025-26 presented by the Council of Students and Teachers based on the theme
Prem Gatha,
the divine legends from Indian mythology.
जो धरती से अंबर जोड़े, जो धरती से अंबर जोड़े, उसका नाम प्रेम है। जो शीशे से पत्थर तोड़े, उसका नाम प्रेम है। कतरा कतरा सागर तक तो, कतरा कतरा सागर तक तो जाती है हर मौज मगर, बहता दरिया वापस मोड़े, उसका नाम प्रेम है।
प्रेम एक एहसासों की, प्रेम एक एहसासों की पावन सी कहानी है। कभी कबीरा दीवाना था तो कभी मीरा दीवानी है। यहाँ सब लोग कहते हैं, यहाँ सब लोग कहते हैं, मेरी आँखों में आंसू है। जो तू समझे तो मोती है, जो तू समझे तो मोती है, जो ना समझे तो पानी है।
जी हाँ, प्रेम, प्रेम एक पावन एहसास है। यह एक वह तार है जो हमें एक दूसरे से जोड़े रखता है। यह एक वह रास्ता है जिस पर चलकर इंसान ईश्वर की प्राप्ति कर सकता है।
हमारे धर्म ने प्रेम को कभी निम्न समझा ही नहीं। जीवन के नवरस में से सबसे ज़्यादा और सबसे ज़रूरी जिस रस की गाथा सुनाई गई है वह प्रेम ही तो है।
मीरा की तपस्या, द्रौपदी का रक्षण, शिव का तांडव, शबरी की भक्ति, सब प्रेम ही तो है।
तो लीजिए, मैं सिद्धांत और मेरी सह उद्घोषिका कश्वी आज आप सबके समक्ष लेकर आ रहे हैं वो गाथा जो सदियों से हमारे बीच, हमारे साथ और हमारी सांसों में बसी है।
तो आइए प्रेम के एक नहीं बल्कि अनेक रंग, रूप और अर्थ को धर्म के माध्यम से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं
और आप सबके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं प्रेम गाथा।